Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into ReelShort with Facebook account. If you've already got a Facebook account with you, then you can easily log into ReelShort using your Facebook account's credentials. So if you want to do that, follow the steps. Open your ReelShort application from your app drawer and launch it open. And make sure that you are inside the main homepage. From the homepage, tap on the profile picture located at the bottom right hand corner. This will then open up this interface where you'll need to tap on the sign in button at the top right hand corner. You will then be able to see these options that you can use to log into ReelShorts. If you want to sign in with your Facebook account, tap on the sign in with Facebook button. Now you will need to tap the continue button to end up in facebook.com website. Simply tap on the login with Facebook app option and then tap on open. If you are already logged into your Facebook account, all you need to do is to tap on this continue button. If you're not logged into Facebook on this device, you will need to type in your email address and password associated with your Facebook account and you will then be able to see this display. Tap the continue button as soon as you see this option and then tap on the open button to launch open ReelShort. Wait for a few seconds and you will be able to use your Facebook account's information such as your profile picture and your ID to log into your ReelShort account. So that's how you can easily log into ReelShort with your existing Facebook account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.